today we have Barbara. This doesn't hurt at all, Barbara, right?
Oh yeah.
Barbara's just in for her routine. What are we, bi-monthly, tri-monthly?
Yeah, like 2-3 months.
Every 2 to 3 months. Because as you know here, we do not require appointments. You just show up, right, Barbara?
Yep.
So we're just gonna, right now, as you can see, we're doing a little flexion distraction. She's always wanted to be playing in the WNBA, right? 6 foot something. All right. I know that doesn't bother you at all. Good, 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 good. All right. Okay. Let's go ahead and raise you up. Now we're going to open up these lower back muscles. Relax. It is, what was it? How cold was it this morning?
56.
66 degrees. So for all of you who are not from Florida, it's not always just 90 degrees outside. So we are a week away from Halloween. The weather's nice and chilly. Is this okay, Barb?
Yes.
Okay. Relax. Loose. Now, Barbara, have you been active? Have you been physical? What kind of activities are we doing?
Not a whole lot.
Okay, just not as much as we'd like.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I often say if patients always did what I said, I would be out of business. So it's a good thing that we're all not perfect. Relax. And that's okay though, because remember, you know, one of the things you can do from a goal aspect is, you know what? Try 1 day a week for 15 minutes, just stretch out. Don't try to do too much. Little tiny habits create better outcomes. A lot of times we try to do too much and that's just overwhelming, and then we say, well, heck with that. I'm not doing any kind of stretching or worrying about posture or any of that. All right, just relax. Okay. Arms to the floor for me, okay? And I want to scooch you down just a smidge. Good. And breathe in for me. Let it go. Breathe in. Hold your breath, hold your breath, hold your breath. Let it go. All the way. Good. More. Ah. Yahtzee. All right, relax. All right, I am going to ask you, honey, to lie on your side facing me. Girls, can I grab a towel, please? All right. And I want you to give me the old arm over, and I got you now, okay? Let me do all the moving, okay? And you're nice and relaxed. Okay, breathe in for me. And let it out for me. All the way. Good. And this side up. Okay, like there, from there. Mirror image, you did that perfectly. Loose. Okay, good. And Barbara, just breathe in for me, breathe in for me. Open, good, relax, good. Ah, perfect. Okay, stay right there on your back. Let me grab, raise your legs, under. Good. Okay. Watch your bottom, I'm just gonna squish this. See, I feel like you're falling through the table. Okay. Arms up, let me get these straps in real quick. And this. Okay. And just get another. Loose. Not too tight, is it? Good answer. Hands tuck under your bottom for me. And I'm just going to very, ask you to lift your head one more second, and down. Good. Okay. And grab this very warm towel, head up, down. Good. Is it too warm?
No.
Are you on your way to work? Or?
I'm off.
Oh, good for you. Okay, just relax. I want those hands tucked in enough. You're strapped in, can you breathe?
Yes.
Okay. And first I'm just gonna motion your neck a little bit, okay? We're gonna relax your head, let it relax, let it relax. Good. All right, now we're just gonna do a little stretch. And just breathe in for me. All the way, relax. Good, more, good. Ah. You feel taller?
Oh yeah.
Okay. All right, now we're just gonna open you up a little smidgen more, let it fall. Good. That side, perfect. Loose. Let it go. Good. How far down did you feel that, Barbara? Mid-back?
Yes.
No, don't go home and screw that up.
Right.
On behalf of Barbara, Dr. Claudia Bay West, we're out.